Hi everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hi everyone, this is Jason from Tech. Hey guys, here is the Samsung Galaxy S9, which was the once upon a time. It is the flagship mobile, which was actually this mobile phone was launched in 2018 Feb. So at that time, this is one of the flagship mobile guys. But anyhow, recently in Flipkart, the sale was happened. So my uncle purchased this mobile phone in the Flipkart at the cost around 25,000 rupees. It was comes with 64 GB internal storage. We have seen the specifications. It comes with QHD Super AMOLED screen. I like it very well. And the next thing is here, this comes with super speed dual pixel. And also the interesting thing here, I like it very well, is here the aperture shifts from 1.5 for low light conditions, which was helpful for the nighttime shots, and also it can go up to 2.4. This particular mobile comes with desktop water assistance with rating IP68. We need to, because it's a flagship mobile, and also iris scanner is also one of the best feature. I mean, it will track our eyes and the phone will get unlocked. I want to let you know one thing. This box was already opened by my uncle, so anyhow I was going to do it one more time. So when you open the box, at the top side we have seen that here is the SIM rejector pin, and also they have provided the TPU case, which it looks like a good quality TPU case, the case for the mobile phone. Along with they have provided some guide setup, warranty quick setups about the mobile, how to use the sticks, the stuff you know that already. Anyhow, let's put it aside. So finally, here is the star of the show. Here is the mobile phone which comes inside the box. So here is the, oh my god, it feels after a very long time, we know that in 2020, now we are on the time, present days, we are getting the mobile phone which was 6.4 inches, 6.5, but guys, it's very slim in my hand. Its size is around 5.8, so which I feel very slim. I feel very new by holding this mobile phone in my hand. Okay, anyhow, let's see what the stuff gets inside the box. And also they have provided the OTG cable. Here is the OTG cable, which is the good. We need to appreciate them. We can able to connect the external pen drives to the device. So guys, here is the earphones. The build quality of the earphones was very nice. It comes with the braided cable. So if anything comes with braided cable, then we can expect the life is long. The long life we can expect from the braided cables. And also this earphones was tuned by AKG. So you have seen that the branding of the AKG over here. It's the branding of the AKG, and also the ear tips was here, and also they have provided the mic over here, and also in the mic only they have added volume buttons, minus and plus volume rocker buttons, and there was also mic was inbuilt. So anyhow, inside the box they have added the earbuds also. Here is the ear tips actually, and also it supports the wireless charging, but we need to use the dock. So let me peel this cover. So the weight of the mobile was nearly it's 183 grams approximately, like that. So there was a cover at the back side and the front side. The build quality was very nice. The frames, they have added the aluminum frame, but whereas the front and the back side, it comes with Corning glass fire protection. Also guys, let's look at the physical overview. At the front side, it comes with the 5.8 inches, so it's a Super AMOLED screen, and here is the IR speaker, and whereas here is the front facing camera, 8 megapixel selfie shooter, and whereas guys, in this position they added the iris scanners, but on the right hand side here is the power button, and over here, but whereas on the left hand side here is the volume rockers along with Google dedicated assistant key, whereas at the bottom side we have seen that they added the Type-C port, and whereas here is the earphones 3.5mm jack, and here is the speaker drill along with the primary microphone, whereas on the top side we have seen that here is the SIM card tray along with the secondary noise cancellation mic over here. At the back side we have seen that here is a 12 megapixel selfie shooter was there. Its aperture is f1.4 and it can shift up to 2.4, 2.5, and also here is the fingerprint sensor, sensor, and here is the heart rate sensor, but whereas there was also a LED flash also available. So let's check out the SIM tray, whether it comes with a single slot or dual slot. So here is the SIM tray, guys. Here is the SIM tray. It's made up of plastic, so guys, it's very important to use it in a proper way. Be careful with this. This is the plastic tray build quality, but we can able to use the single slim along with micro SD card. So that's it. And also I was going to place it back as usual. So I was going to turn it on. So let me see whether it has a pop. Yes, there was a power sensor. Oh, the screen looks very good quality. We have seen that here is the iris scanner, that is what I mean. So the Samsung was booting up. So anyhow guys, before the device boot up, let me configure it and I will see you in the home screen. In the meantime, here are the specs for you.
Where this mobile phone comes with the Exynos 9810 processor, which was built with 10 nanometer architecture, and it comes with the Mali G72 GPU. And if you're talking about the camera department, it comes with 12 megapixel. Its aperture is f1.5 to 2.4 along with LED flash. It can able to record 4K at 30 frames and 60 frames. At the 1080, it can able to record 30 frames, 60 frames and 240 fps, whereas the 720 it can able to record 960 frames per second, and also it can able to record the audio stereo sound, where it comes with gyroscope EIS and optical image stabilization. If you're talking about the front camera, it comes with 8 megapixel. Its aperture is f1.7, and also along with it comes with 2 megapixel iris scanner, and it can able to record 1440 pixels at the rate of 30 frames per second. If you're talking about the display, it comes with 5.8 inches Super AMOLED screen and resolution of 1440 into 2960 pixels. It was protecting by Corning glass fire protection and HDR10 support. Whereas if you're talking about the RAM and storage department, it comes with 4GB RAM with 64GB, 128GB, 256 internal storage, and the RAM type is UFS 2.1. Whereas this one comes with loudspeaker stereo speakers, and also it comes with 3.5mm audio jack, which was tuned by AKG. If you're talking about the sensor, iris scanner was available, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, compass, barometer, heart rate, and blood oxygen sensor was available. Whereas it comes with 3000 mAh battery along with 15 watts quick charge 2.0 support.
So finally guys, I have just set up the device, and here is the UI looks very simple, and there was little bit of bloatware was available, but Flipkart apps was available, and also I have seen the Samsung Pay app was also available. There is the Facebook, I mean the little bit of stuff they have included here, but it seems the screen the UI was very neat and clean, and the touch response was very good in this device. And also I want to let you know this device can able to support dual band Wi-Fi. So I want to show you some settings. First, if you go to the settings, immediately just go to the display. In the screen mode, they have added the few options, few modes. You guys can check out adaptive display, like adaptive display, AMOLED screen, AMOLED photo, and the basic mode. So guys, use this function when you're watching movies. If you turn on this option, and if you watch any kind of movies, then it's the fantastic experience. And also this device support wide one L1 support, which means you can able to use the movie HD streaming in the streaming apps like Amazon Prime or even the Netflix. While if you're watching just a photos, then you can use for the AMOLED. This option is good. For adaptive, which will give the optimize for the both scene modes. So like that, other option is here. We need to go by default the screen resolution. It was going to be like Full HD, but we need to be select here WQHD. Because this panel supports QHD, so it's nothing but 2K resolution panel, so it's better to select this option. Then you can see the beauty of the display, actually the output. But keep in mind, if you turn on the QHD, it consumes the more battery when compared to the HD and Full HD. But if you want to see the beauty, just go for this option. And also I want to show you this one. I feel every time guys, I feel bored by using these capacitive navigation buttons. So I was going to select this option. If you select like this, then you can't able to see the capacitive buttons at the bottom side. Suppose if you want to open the recent application just like this, the recent apps will open, and if you're doing anything, I want to come back, the back option is like, if you're doing like this, then it will come back to option again and again. And also just use this option. So by using this touch sensitivity option, the touch response will works more better. I mean, even if you wear any gloves, due to this corona, most of the people wearing gloves when they're going outside to the public places. But anyhow, even if you have your gloves also, then the display will works perfect when you turn on this option. And also one more option I like here is the gestures of the Samsung works very well. I like it very much. So there was a lot of options. If you wish, you can able to turn these options, or even you can turn it off as your interest. And also this is one of the feature I like very well. This is the gesture mode. I want to let you know one thing. In gesture mode, in one hand mode, you can use it in a two options. So you can use this gesture, or even you can touch this button. My suggestion is just go for this option, then you can able to use it happily. If you go to the gesture, then it is very difficult to use this option. I mean, we need to practice to use this gesture, but instead just go for the home screen. Then if you tap it 3 times, just like this, the screen will come like this. Then you can move the screen to any direction from one side to another side, which means if your fingers was not going to top, then you can able to operate the mobile phone in this small window just like this. So if you want the full screen again, just tap any black area, then the screen will come like that. Yeah, and also guys, there is one more option, fingerprint sensor gestures. Usually we open the notification panel just for swiping like this, but if you enable this option with the help of your finger, you can swipe the notification panel just like this. And also we can capture the screenshot by doing this activity, but I tried it many times, but I couldn't success. It needs a lot of practice to make it a perfect. And also here is, you can able to use the dual messengers for WhatsApp, Facebook, and even the Skype. So one of the interesting thing in this advanced feature is video enhancer. Just use this option. While you're using this option, it will just boost the colors, will boost vibrant colors, rich colors. The image looks very sharp. So I have just finished downloading the software, so let's check out the version of the Android, and also whether if they update anything changes. I was just going to above phone in the software information. Yes guys, as expected, now the UI was 2.0, and also they added the Android 10 over here, and where the security level there, it says now January 1st 2020. Yes guys, they have added this. And also guys, if you don't know the features about the UI 2.0, I have already made a dedicated video. You guys can check out from that, then you get an idea what are the features the Samsung Galaxy phones comes with, usually with Android 2.0 version. Of course, it's the flagship phone, so you can get some more features, but I do not have much time to test this mobile phone. I have to give this mobile phone to my uncle, so that's why. But anyhow, here is the one of the feature. If you swipe like this, then you can easily quickly enable these applications just by swiping from right to left like this. But if you do like this, then you can easily quickly enable that. And also let's check the speaker quality once. Here is the single speaker, and guys, it comes with a stereo setup. The speakers were stereo speakers. So let's check out the main interesting of this mobile phone for a flagship mobile phone is about the cameras. Whereas the front it comes with 8 megapixel, and at the back side it comes with 12 megapixel, and it can able to shoot 4K footage at 60 frames. Let's quickly check out the front cam. So here is the front cam. So here right now it was selected to wide, and here is the ultra wide. You guys can check out the difference between wide and ultra wide. So let me take a snap. This looks like the photos was very fast and accurate. This looks like nice. The photos was also very nice because it's a flagship mobile, we know that. So it was usually good photos. And what about the back camera? First I want to go to the more option. In more option, you have seen these are the modes was available in the more pro mode, panorama mode, night, live focus, selective focus. Such modes was available. Right now I was going to select the selective focus, so I was going to tap my mouse. The photo has been, it takes some time to save the picture, whereas if you take the photo of the normal mode by tapping on the subject, At the normal mode, the photo takes instantly. So, oh my god, the sharpness was very good. We have seen there was a dust in the mouse pad, mouse wheel, so you can see them clearly. That's nice. The photos was very nice, guys. In this mobile phone, overall it comes with a 3D curve. So at the front and the back side, it looks like a 3D curve, whereas the both sides. Whereas, guys, at the right hand side, they have added the power button right over here. But whereas on the left side, there was the dedicated button for Bixby. So you can see that press and hold to activate the Bixby, so the Bixby will active. But anyhow, we can use the alternative way, Google Assistant, just by tapping on the home. Hi Google, how are you?
I'm great, thanks for asking.
Shall we meet?
I like to think of our chats as a way to meet.
That's the most funniest answer, and the Google Assistant was also working very well. Open YouTube application, play any songs. Oh, just give me a comment to
Alright,
the Google.
any song by Zico. Here it is on YouTube.
Let's see. That's great, guys. The songs has been
Hi,
playing.
my name is Salman Khan. Listen to my.
Okay, due to copyright issues, I was not going to continue this one.